Welcome to EZO. We're here to make charging your EV quick, simple, and stress-free. To get started, download the EZO app from the Apple or Google Play Store and set up your account. In the app, you'll find two ways to pay. One, EZO Wallet, top it up anytime and use your balance to charge. Two, EZO Charge and Go. Just add your card and pay as you go based on energy used. Using our Siemens Sincharge-D, you've got four easy options via the app. Plug in the charger. Open the EZO app. Select the charger and connector. Tap Start Charging in the app. To stop charging, open app and stop charging. With a credit or debit card, plug in the charger. Select credit or debit card on screen. Tap Card on payment terminal. Wait for authentication and price confirmation. Charging begins. To stop charging, tap card. Unplug the EV via RFID. Plug in the charger. Select Pay by RFID. Present fob to charger fob reader. Charging start automatically. To stop charging, present EZO fob or RFID card to reader. Unplug the EV via QR code. Plug in charger. Scan QR code corresponding to the connector. Agree to the terms of use and enter your card details. Charging starts. To stop charging, open web page and click Stop Charging. Unplug your EV. If you need support, please call our 24/7 support line. Thank you for charging with EZO.